This is how to make air fried chicken nuggets. So I get asked all the time, how long do I cook my chicken nuggets for in the air fryer? And it's pretty straightforward. So I'm using Tyson brand. You can use whatever brand you want as long as they're frozen. And I'm using my Philips air fryer. So open up your drawer, take out the tray if you have one in there, and then you're going to put a single layer of frozen chicken nuggets on the bottom of the air fryer basket. And then you want to go in with your hand and just make sure that they're not stacked too much on top of one another. It really doesn't matter too much. Then you're going to put your little platform in, and you're going to put more on that. Close it. You're going to set the temperature to 390. If yours goes to 400, set it to 400. And then you're going to move the timer to 12 minutes. And that is the sweet spot that I found. Now keep in mind, air fryer models will vary. Some are more powerful, some are less powerful, but you should end up with beautiful, crispy, air-fried chicken nuggets. You can air fry at additional 1-minute increments if you want a crispier crust. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.